In part 4 of the UK School Finance and Budgeting System series, I will walk you through the monthly monitoring sheet. I've created a new sheet and named it Monthly Monitoring. This sheet tracks monthly income and expenditure against budget, showing variances and year-to-date totals for every cost center, and also records real monthly spending and compares it against your annual budget from part 1. As you can see, the sheet already has data in it, but I'll show you how I've got the cost center name from sheet 1. That's called the budget setup sheet. I've used the XLOOKUP formula and will use the same formula for category, budget holder, and the annual budget columns. The only difference? Well, the column selected in the budget setup sheet, of course. So I've typed in the formula. Please take note of this formula, guys. To copy it over or copy it across, we will just click Control, copy, then paste. Now, we will calculate the year-to-date variance column. This should equal the cost center tracker total. So now we will add some conditional formatting. Green will equal favorable variance, which means we are under budget, and then red will mean that we have overspent.